Empty boxes. Some people think it's just an empty space waiting to be filled. But what if something filled isn't quite full? Let's discuss this on our episode of Further Destinations. Imagine you wandering around the house and you're craving something sweet. Your brain starts processing the snack stash, heading to the snacks, knowing how exquisite, yeah, that's what I need right there, it is going to be. You get there, and bam, no snacks. Sick. Now you're upset and flabbergastically hurt. Oh, I got something for they asses. And flabbergastically hurt. You gladly disconnect the Wi-Fi. Now who in the hell left these empty boxes? No one wants to come to an empty box, especially if they ain't pay for that shit.
You can't cuss on this show.
Nah, man, who leaves an empty box for real? They could've just thrown that shit in the trash. My bad. Well, just stop doing the shit. Alrighty, yeah, well, we'll see you guys next time to see if they do it again on Further Destinations.